Have you seen this video? It looks like a CNN report featuring Anderson Cooper saying a simple honey recipe can reverse Alzheimer's. Sounds like a medical miracle, right? Dr. Sanjay Gupta endorsing it, Bruce Willis supposedly using it, and the claim? That this honey-based supplement restores brain function in aging adults. Unfortunately, it's completely fake. And in this video, we'll expose everything. The deepfake technology used, the lies being told, and how you or your loved ones can protect yourselves from these predatory scams. This scam presents itself as a legitimate news report. It uses the CNN logo, fake interviews with Dr. Sanjay Gupta, and even fabricated headlines. They tell you that Dr. Gupta discovered a miracle dietary supplement based on honey and natural ingredients. The video even claims that Bruce Willis, who has been open about his battle with dementia, has reversed his condition using it. But all of this is a lie, created using deepfake AI technology to manipulate your emotions and your trust. Deepfakes are synthetic videos made using AI. They mimic voices, gestures, and even facial expressions to create highly convincing but totally fabricated media. This video uses AI to fake Anderson Cooper's voice and face. It does the same with Dr. Sanjay Gupta. But these clips are not real. None of these people endorse this product. AI-generated videos featuring my likeness have been circulating on social media. This is not me, and I am not selling any of these products. A Harvard Health study revealed that 1 in 4 adults over 50 take a supplement hoping to boost brain function. The problem? There's no solid proof any of them work. Let's be clear, no supplement, honey-based or otherwise, has been proven to reverse Alzheimer's or dementia. That would be headline news in every real medical journal and news outlet on Earth. The FDA doesn't test these supplements before they hit the market. That means companies can mislabel ingredients, make outrageous claims, and go viral before the government even notices. These scams target older adults, especially those battling memory issues or families who are desperately looking for help. They exploit emotions, hope, fear, urgency. They pretend to be doctors, news anchors, and celebrities. Why? Because it works. It earns them millions. And once you click, you're taken to a high-pressure checkout page that says only 12 bottles left, or offer expires in 10 minutes. Classic scam techniques. Here's how you can spot and stop scams like this. Claims to cure or reverse Alzheimer's or dementia. Deepfake videos using celebrity doctors or newscasters. Pressure tactics like countdowns or only 3 left. Fake media logos. No legitimate medical sources cited. Always double-check medical claims with real sources. Use websites like Mayo Clinic, WebMD, or official government health pages. And most importantly, talk to a licensed doctor, not a video ad. If you've seen this ad, or if you or someone you love bought the product, please share your experience in the comments. Your story might help someone else avoid getting scammed. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We expose scams, fake reviews, and misleading marketing every week to help protect our community. You're watching Mango School, your go-to for digital safety, scam alerts, and honest reviews. Stay informed, stay sharp, stay safe.